Hey guys, Breaking Silver here. Just got a few pieces in that I wanted to show you. First up, we have the limited mintage of only 50 quarter horses. And I picked up two of those. Number's 28 and the other cert is in here, it's number 42. Really like the little COA that comes with it. Pretty clever. Jaeger Downs has the horse number. It's the American quarter horse. First quarter kilo bar I have picked up. So yeah, I got two of them. There's the Jaegersport silver stamp. Pretty sweet. I think this number 28 has better pour lines than the, yeah, there we go. Check that out. It's really cool. And then I also made a trade for a couple of 45 gram little guns here. I traded my Erickson Mint Penguin with sunglasses, mintage of 50 for them. So I thought that was a pretty good trade. And then this is my, oh man, look at that. It's a play button. It's so cool. The pour lines are just phenomenal. Breaking Silver. Yep. So sweet. Well, see if I can get this to focus more. There's a lot of glare. But yeah, there you go. Nice ounces to the stack. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.